Hey guys, Gamer here, and today, I will be once again playing Robocraft, because I know last time, the volume was messed up, so it wasn't exactly the best video to watch, but I know how to fix the problem now. If it does it again, I know how to fix it, and yeah, let's get into it. So, last time, I had a bunch of other robots, and then yeah, I don't think you recognize any of these, because I got rid of the old ones. Yeah, so Scrapper's gone, and yeah, so I just wanted to kind of redo it and get some of the weapons back, because I kind of overloaded all the weapons onto all the other robots, and I ran out of weapons, and I don't have a lot of in-game money to purchase new weapons, so I dismantled them and made new robots with semi-less weapons. I think this one has the most weapons out of the few, because I needed a bunch of weapons on the bottom, because when it's flying, you need to be able to shoot at the ground, and the only way to do that is have weapons on the bottom. And I also have weapons on the top, just in case there's other flying things that needs to be shot down. Alright, and then this one I think has a lot of weapons too, but I think this one has way more weapons than this one. But this is the Scorpo, and yeah, as you can tell, I named it the Scorpo because it looks like it's got a scorpion tail, and it's got 6 legs. And then this one is something I had just thought up. It's very crappy looking, but I like the idea of doing it, even though the idea turned out to be kind of stupid looking. But yeah, so if any of you guys like Pacific Rim like I do, this is Gypsy Avenger, mind you, not Danger Avenger. And yeah, it's got the legs, and it's got the very, very short arms. Yeah. But it's also very unbalanced as well, so that's why I don't like fighting with it much, because it falls down easily. Like, if you try to go up a hill with it, it'll tip over, and it takes forever just to get it back on its feet, because I have to flip it over like 5-6 times just to get it back on its feet. So I'm not going to be fighting with this one anytime soon, because that could ruin my chances. But I will be fighting with my favorite one, which is this one, the Avion, or the Avion. You can pronounce it whatever way you want, but I call it the Avion. So, because that's another word for bird. So, yeah. And this time we're going to be playing with other people, and not AIs, because I know AIs can be boring, even though we still lost last time, I think. I'm trying to remember. I don't have any flashback effects, so I'm sorry. But, I'm just checking to make sure this thing is actually on. See, this can be deceiving right here. This can be deceiving. Yeah. And DMK, you're probably gonna be like mad because I'm not playing FNAF 6 yet, but I feel like I feel like I'm procrastinating to do it and play other games instead, because I got all these new games and I want to try all these new games out with you guys, but Alright. See if this works. I'm just gonna pause this until it works. Alright, we picked up on a server. Alright, so these are all real people. Our team doesn't look all bad, so I think we should be able to defeat them, I think. Although I say that, and then next thing I know, we're gonna lose. So, Alright, just wait for all these people to load in. Wait, we haven't even completed loading in yet. There's this narrator person talking. You can't hear her because I have my system sound off. But she's just saying, this is a team deathmatch, just kill each other, and yeah, have fun. Let's see if we can get out a little hot. Oh crap. We need to get around here. Oh crap. Crap, we are not the... Crap, we are not alone. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright. We need to keep... Alright, so right now we are winning, but only by 4 kills. Let's see if we can get that number up a little bit. And yes, I am very slow, because this is a heavy... Because when these things fly, they have to be very light. So mine's heavy, and I had to add a bunch of extra stuff onto this thing just to get it to fly. So it's not just the wings and the propeller. I have 2 jet engines and 2 hover fans down on the bottom that help keep this thing in the air. So this thing has a lot of stuff just to have it fly. If I didn't have those things, this thing wouldn't be flying. This thing would be on the ground, spinning out of control. Either that or just sitting there. I was trying to get the Ford F-150 robot to fly, and before I made it the way it is now, but it just didn't fly. It was too heavy. And actually later on I will be doing some modifications to the Avion when I get the chance. By the way, speaking of flying. Oh yeah, right there, see? Hover fan right there. There's one under each wing. Yeah. There we go. So yeah, I think I might change the Avion to look something a little bit differently. So I know hardly any of you are watching, but if someone is watching, if you would like to see a costume change on the Avion, comment down below, either yes or no, and yeah, I'll get to it as fast as I can. Yeah, we're gonna win this one. We have 10 kills already. I mean, unless our team were to suddenly not be good. Oh crap. Yeah, they got me good. crap is invisible. Oh crap. Crap. That guy's got some good weapons on him. Yep, that's not good. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, soon we're gonna run out of, our wings are gonna run out and we're not gonna be able to fly. Oh, we're getting lighter though. Oh crap. Okay, this person just wants me dead right here. Yeah, that person so wanted me dead. Let's see if we can get up a little bit higher so we can get above them. See, I might have my plane look a little something like that, where the bigger wing is on top and the little wing is on the bottom. You know, that kind of thing. Oh geez, they're starting to catch up a little bit. Oh crap. Yeah, as you can tell, just because I don't have premium, it's not exactly the best. But all these people that have premium are a little bit better. And also, I'm still new at this game. Let's try using this bigger gun here. Yeah, I can't exactly reach down there. Let's get this gun on. There you go. There we go. We got him. We got him this time. Alright, we won. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to go ahead and do the outro because, well, first they're gonna probably give us like boxes to unbox and stuff, which is because we won. I'll do that in front of you guys. Level up crate. Alright, so I can't get this stuff because you have to have premium to get extra stuff. But so I get one gun, electro shield, sprinter legs, and a plasma disruptor. Collect items, and then a victory reward, a cockpit mid right, a light corner round, and then a Rhino 8 ear left. So I'm guessing this is the ear, because that's what it says. Yeah, that's probably it. Alright, so we'll go ahead and collect these items. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the outro. Alright, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and watching the Avion fly, and me kind of explain how it works and stuff. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like, and if you want to see more content, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified of all my videos, which is weekly, and now I'm deciding to make one a week, but then an extra one during the weekend because I have so much time on the weekend. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.